Previous video we have learned about ionic compounds, that ionic compounds are made up of ions, positively charged ions and negatively charged ions. Now let us understand what happens when an ionic compound is dissolved in water. Okay, suppose what we do is in this beaker or in this plastic cup, what we do is we pour here NaCl. Okay, we dissolve sodium chloride in water and prepare NaCl solution. Okay, and in this NaCl solution what we do is we have, now when we do this, this is connected to, this one is connected to the positively charged terminal of the battery. Okay, positive terminal of the battery. So this becomes your anode, and this is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. So this becomes your cathode. Okay. Now here NaCl solution, this is acting as electrolyte. This is acting as electrolyte. You should know that what is electrolyte? Electrolyte is conducting liquid. Okay, this is your conducting liquid. Electrolyte is a conducting liquid, and here the conducting liquid is NaCl solution. Okay, so when we dissolve NaCl in water, what will happen is that it is going to divide into its ions. Okay, when we are going to connect it with a battery, and this setup is on, when we connect it with a battery, then what will happen is that NaCl, which is dissolved in water, is going to dissociate into its ions. It is going to divide into its ion. Okay, so the electrolyte is a moist base, and that is made up of ions. This NaCl or electrolyte, what is it? It is a moist paste. Right now this is the conducting liquid, or how we can define this is that this is a moist paste that contains ions. Now all of you know that NaCl, okay, how it is going to dissociate into its ions is that NaCl is going to, when we pass electricity through it, okay, when we connect it with a battery and we pass electricity through it, then what will happen is that this NaCl is going to divide into its ions, and we know that it is made up of Na plus and Cl minus ions. So when a voltage is applied to a solution of NaCl, then it gets divided into its ions, that is Na plus plus Cl minus positively charged ions. Now what will happen to the positively charged ions here? Positively charged ions are going to move towards the negative electrode, that is cathode. Okay, I told you that opposite charges attract each other. So positively charged ions are going to move towards cathode, and negatively charged particles or ions are going to move towards anode. So chloride ions will move towards anode, that is a positive electrode, and sodium ions are going to move towards cathode, which is your negatively charged electrode. Okay, and this is how this reaction will happen. Okay, therefore the liquids that have ions, right? Now this is we have seen that how sodium chloride solution is going to conduct electricity. It is going to divide into its ions. So all the liquids, we have learned about it that liquids can conduct electricity. So all the liquids that have ions, only they are going to conduct electricity. And earlier also we have done the examples that acid solutions, okay, those solutions which are having acids, they are the conductors. Okay, then next is base solutions, acid solutions, base solutions, and salt solutions. Right now we did the example of NaCl, which is a salt. So salt solutions, they are going to act as conductors. All these are conductors. And even molten ionic compounds, they are also conductors. Molten ionic compounds means like sodium chloride is an ionic compound, and if we melt it, then also it is a conductor. Ionic compounds, they conduct electricity in their molten state as well as when they are dissolved in water. So their solutions ionic compounds solutions as well as their molten ionic compounds, they conduct electricity, and all of them conduct electricity because they can be divided into ions. Okay, do remember this, that solids conduct electricity because there is a flow of electrons there. Okay, there is a difference between electrons and ions. Electrons are negatively charged particles present in the atom. Okay, and what are ions? Ions are the charged particles which are formed by losing or gaining of electrons. So there is a difference, and liquids, they conduct electricity due to the flow of ions, or we can say that not due to the flow of ions. Yes, you can say that ions are produced, that is why they can conduct electricity. So acid solutions, base solutions, salt solutions, and molten ionic compounds, all of them are conductors because when we pass electricity through them, they divide into their ions. Okay.